We need to have a stimulus, but the stimulus ought to be small business and real workers and the economy. Liberals say we need to have a stimulus, and the stimulus somehow is big politicians paying off big businesses through big bureaucracies. Fundamentally different model. Now, we're taking a very different approach. First of all, we talked with lots of people who create jobs, and as Dan Veroni said, the biggest job creators in America are small businesses. We've heard all about bailing out AIG. They were worth hundreds of billions of dollars in federal money, in your tax money. We've heard about bailing out General Motors, bailing out Chrysler, bailing out Citibank. Somehow, if you're giant, you get the money. Yet what happens in every one of those cases? They shrink. We're giving them billions of dollars for them to reduce their workforce. There's not a single giant corporation getting government money which is hiring anybody. They're all laying people off. So you get the right to be taxed to loan money to a giant company which is going to increase the unemployment rate. We've proposed at American Solutions a very clear jobs here, jobs now, jobs first approach that emphasizes competing in the world market. The first step is a 2-year 50% reduction in the Social Security and Medicare tax, including the employer match. Second, we believe if you want to compete with China in having the most productive factories, the best jobs, the highest take-home pay in the world, you match the Chinese rate on capital gains, which is 0. Third, we believe that if you want companies to compete in the world market, the most effective corporate tax rate is the Irish tax rate, which is 12.5%. The United States, if you combine state and federal corporate income tax, has the highest corporate tax rate in the world. That 12.5%, you would make America very desirable to build the next factory and create the next investment. And finally, we would, for long-term economic health, abolish permanently the death tax. There's both a moral reason for doing this and an economic reason. The moral reason is that it's fundamentally wrong to require people to visit the undertaker and the IRS the same week. Why would you punish somebody who's worked all their life, saved all their life, and created wealth to give their children and grandchildren? This is money they've already paid taxes on. We believe if we can reach out to every small business in America and to every person in America who would like to see jobs created as the #1 priority of government, we believe we can reset the entire national debate around a fundamental pro-jobs program. And that's our goal at American Solutions.